students chasing internships or clarity?
I can say students are neither chasing internships nor clarity. They're just chasing for validation. Okay, so as a form, internship is nothing but an evidence that you have done something and there is a result that you can show. So,
and whether the online internships are more useful or the offline, and how to get it.
yeah, I would prefer an offline internship rather than an online, because internship, if the candidate is doing an offline internship, not only does he learn the work, not only does he learn how to how to gain that experience, he will also learn how to work in an environment, in a work, and how the work environment is, what are the skills that are required, maybe not only the technical skills, the soft skills that are required. So what is they will learn about the time management, they will learn teamwork. So all these things are an added benefit when someone does an offline internship rather than an online.
Internships do you feel will be suitable for you?
Maybe somewhere I can get a better experience of how my life ahead would be. Maybe an internship that teaches me more than just how to work on a computer. Maybe like learn more skills while working in an actual environment.
3 points again over there. Okay, what
Yes.
is the problem that they will be working on? What is the solution that they have contributed
Solution.
to? And whatever the solution is,
Result.
they explain that result. Is something
The
you
result.
also need to check as a parent before sending them. Before actually knowing whether it is the right kind of internship for them.
Ma'am, then what makes an intern stand out in a company?
Like I said previously, decoding. Stand out in the sense you have to, in a company, the kind of internship you take should show whether you are accountable, whether you have solved something, and whether you have gone out of the box to do something. These are the 3 things mainly that they look, and the moment you show them that, just have a big green flag, I should say, that they need you in their company.